MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Our fourth contest of 10 dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo ngayon dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas, Baron Mercado, covering the action as we are witnessing the runners-up for this games. No, unahin muna natin San Juan Mighty Warriors. Mostly yung players nila or majority of them coming from that San Beda program. Meanwhile, facing off against Bataan Boss League. Kanina yung Siklab Bataan lost on their opening contest. Let's see if itong mga Boss League players in the under-16 can make it up for that loss sa mga kababayan natin sa Bataan. Baron Mercado covering the action. And isa sa mga nasubaybayan nating kwento para dito sa Junior MPBL ay itong kwento ng San Juan Mighty Warriors falling short against the eventual champions na Antipolo JY Titans. That was a 3-game classic. And it's really amazing to see these boys fight it off once again. Pero this time they are given a second chance of life, but they need to win and they need to be impressive to be part of this battle for champions for the for the majority of the contest. And that is one way to introduce yourself here with that jumper. Has the lead here 4-3. Some of the players for San Juan Mighty Warriors na napanood na natin, Amiel Berdan, Ryle Gimarangan, and of course one of the best players in the under-16 division, Devron Benitez. You are in for a treat, ladies and gentlemen, because Devron Benitez is in this contest. Meanwhile, itong mga players natin for Bataan, they are making or they are looking to make a strong statement as early as now as they look to defeat San Juan. So far, having a 3-point lead, 6-3, and that basket goes in and one. Amiel Berdan, hindi na nagpatagal, nagpakilala na agad, getting that basket to go in. Amiel Berdan, of course, one of the more dynamic guards in this squad from San Juan. Completes that 3-point play. Tabla tayo at 6. Early pressure para dito sa San Juan Mighty Warriors. And it will be a challenge for both teams dahil yun nga, hindi lang naman San Juan yung nakarating dun sa finals, but also Bataan Boss League doon naman sa Bataan dun sa kanilang provincial tournament. And this is one of the beauties of this Battle of Champions. We are seeing two squads, two different styles facing off as they look to battle head on. And speaking of which, Devron Benitez has entered the scoring column. Berdan, nice pass. Back to back for Devron Benitez. A steal here by Chunaco. Extra pass, one hand floater won't fall. Benitez, 6 points. Devron Benitez already showing us why he is one of the best under 16 talents. 6 points straight. Timeout called by Bataan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng
12-6 is the score. 6 straight points for Devron Benitez as Bataan Boss League after leading by 3-6-3. It is a 9-0 response para dito sa San Juan Mighty Warriors. Let's see how will they respond here with 5 minutes 48 remaining. Can San Juan add up to the lead, or will Bataan Boss League play defense and stop this run? Continues to score. What a move, what a drive. Getting that basket in, increasing the lead to 8 points. 14-6, a 3-ball. Got it to start things off. What a start for San Juan. Trailing earlier, has regained their footing. One-hander, won't fall. Gets that rebound, mapupunta dito sa San Juan. Has an opportunity once again to push up the pace. Sends it, back-to-back threes. Couldn't hit that jumper. 16-6 is the score, and Bataan Boss League now was starting to feel the pressure. With 4 minutes 37 remaining in the opening quarter. Nice steal. Let's see if they can take advantage. Jumper won't fall. Gets that rebound. May pagkakataon na naman ng San Juan to add more points on the board. One-hand floater, uses the glass for safety. Louis Sandig has entered the scoring column, and another turnover force by San Juan Mighty Warriors. They are choking up the space here para sa Bataan Boss League. Open three. That is off the mark. Irene Palmario nagpapa-shoutout sa atin Bloodlines basketball team. Nanonood, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Enjoy watching Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. 18-6. For the last 3 minutes or so, hindi pa nakakascore ulit ang Bataan Boss League. After leading 6-3, Devron Benitez taking over, Amiel Berdan scoring as well, and now itong si Sandig looking to add more points on the board, just misses on the free throw. Against San Juan Mighty Warriors, majority of them on that San Beda program, one of the best basketball programs we're having so far in the country. They're up there, and they're showing us why they are one of, if not the best. Falling short against Antipolo, so this is their chance of redemption. 19-6. Looking to make a quick play, a fake, a shot, a miss. Balik ang bola dito sa Bataan. So if you're Bataan and you're facing a team like San Juan, need to find that extra groove, need to find that extra gear, as Castillo and company still looking for answers because of the tight defense being played by San Juan Mighty Warriors. Castillo almost turning the ball away with 2:45 remaining. on the left side. Passes it to Sir Raymond on the outside. Balik ang bola dito sa San Juan. Looking to make things work. Cian Coronel has entered the ball game. Here he is receiving the ball, going to his strong side, sends it in the corner for 3. That is off the mark. Couldn't hit that open three-pointer, but they will regain the possession. Nice pass. Basket still won't fall, but will have another opportunity at the free throw area. (19-6). Make it 20-6 is the score. Looking to score more. A miss on the free throw, gets his own rebound, I should say. Still couldn't convert. Can Bataan finally end the slump inside? Points finally. After at least 4 to 5 minutes, able to score back itong si Castillo para sa Bataan. 20-8 ang ating score with a minute 45. A 3. Couldn't hit that shot. Balik ang bola dito sa kampo ng San Juan Mighty Warriors. Standing on my left, Commissioner Keith Picazo. 20-8 is the score here. Only scoring 2 points. Make it a 17-2 run para dito sa San Juan. After trailing by 3 points earlier, 6-3. Discarte once again. Open shot. Devron Benitez. Couldn't hit that 3. Turnaround. Put back is in. 22-8. They will get a steal. Basket is good. Bash Boligan has at least 5 points total in this game. Basket going in on the side as RJ Tuazon has scored, I believe, his first 2 points of the contest. But they need to do a lot more with 25 seconds remaining. 3 on the way. That is off the mark. Recovered once again by the Mighty Warriors from San Juan. 3-second differential between the shot and the game clock. Coronel sends it out. Jumper is good. Boligan with another basket. And we will end our first quarter action. San Juan Mighty Warriors. Mighty impressive in this first quarter. Bataan Boss League down by 16. Let's see if makabounce back sila sa ating second quarter. Under 16 Junior MPBL Battle of Champions.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang
Start of the second quarter, under 16 matchup. San Juan versus Bataan. Battle of Champions dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. As so far, a solid recovery by San Juan after being down by 3 points. Bataan sila naman ang susubok makakuha ng comeback in this contest. Baron Mercado covering the action. And it is a 23-4 run. And finally, another basket goes in to to start off para dito sa Bataan as they get their first 2 points. And one opportunity. Dropping in para ay Del Rosario. Marco able to sink that basket. Marco Del Rosario will be now at the line here. Will not complete the 3-point play. Ryle Guimarangan, Aniel Verdan, two of the most potent backcourts in the Junior MPBL under 16, looking to make their mark here in the Battle of Champions. Looks to bring the ball down is Guimarangan. Nice pass, Marco Del Rosario. Now showing flashes of brilliance in this game. A steal here on the other side. Guimarangan for 2. Suffocating defense, a turnover. Guimarangan again. This San Juan team won't let up on defense. And that is a traveling call. Pressure is just too much for Bataan in this first half. What defense shown by San Juan. Here is Aniel Verdan. Del Rosario, balik kay Verdan. On the attack, Aniel will give it to his big. Could have taken the floater instead. Had a good look but decides to pass it to his big, which is a good idea by the way. Dahil nakaka 5 points na itong si Del Rosario in this contest. Make it 7. Look at the size of Marco Del Rosario, just towering over everyone. Verdan takes the ball away and strong to the cup. Tinatanong niya si Com kung merong assist man pero sumiscore on that steal. Gotta love the energy of Aniel Verdan. On the other side, Bautista misfires for 3. I mean, Bataan. This is a rude awakening for them. Kumbaga, welcome to this Battle of Champions. I should say that was a Bakungan shooting that 3 earlier. And here he is, Bautista. Gives it in the corner. Jumper won't fall. Again, rude awakening. Facing a team here. Verdan for 3. That is off the mark. In and out attempt para dito kay Aniel Verdan. 38-34 with 6:40 to go. Jumper didn't go in. A chance to run. Here is Ryle Guimarangan. Looks as his defender and just goes straight to the cup. 6 points in the quarter for Ryle. Timeout by Bataan. Let's see if they can make something happen here. Just too much pressure on the side of San Juan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan.
Let's see if Bataan Boss League can build something here with 6:25 remaining into the second quarter. Just solid defense being played here by San Juan. And this is a good lesson for a team like Bataan facing a strong contending team like San Juan. they are showing us why they are one of the best teams in that under-16 division. Of that steal, that basket goes in. Making that basket of that steal. "20 seconds on the shot clock." Bataan Boss League. They look to, again, score against a tough defense. This is a big shot if it goes. Yes, sir! A much-needed three-pointer on the side of Bataan. If I'm Bataan, I'm just wanting to get this ball across as Kendrick Picazo has entered the ball game. A three ball to answer, won't fall. Gets that rebound. A chance for Bataan to start a run. Couldn't take advantage. Picazo was able to rescue that possession. On the attack once again. Muntik nang maipasok yung layup attempt, but a courageous move. Has hit a three-pointer earlier. And now we'll have a chance to add more points on the board as Santino Tizon, that lefty, will knock down the first one. Again, Kendrick Picazo, I see here. Tizon at the line. Escoto as well. Other players from San Juan getting some experience, getting some exposure here to, test out their trainings. Meanwhile for Bataan, masusubukan din sila as Tizon straight to the cup. Bitin nga lang yung kanyang layup. Another three, yun nga lang. Not looking on this baseline, or on that sideline I should say. Dito sa Banana Court, that's one of the more common violations called. Yung pag-apak dyan sa sideline na yan, need to be careful if you are both teams. Escoto. They will send it inside. Balik kay Escoto. All day to shoot. In and out. Looking to score their 19th or 20th point. Itong Bataan, let's see if they can make some plays. Good ball movement, a three. That is off the mark, a good box out. Just missing on those easy opportunities. Maybe again, too much pressure. Tizon stepping on the line. Escoto with a rebound and a putback. (45-17). Ginto and company, a tough day in the office, facing off against San Juan Mighty Warriors. Need to make a lot of stops, need to make a lot of mid shots din. Pascual will receive, nice cut from the middle. Beautiful basketball by this squad from San Juan. Then pressure defense, still relentless as steal. Tizon, babawiin ba ang kanyang mintes? Yes, he will. 49-17. Almost a steal. Kendrick with a steal. Picazo, nice pass. Basket is good. Luis Antig making that layup to go off to that steal and assist by Kendrick Picazo. 51-17. Miss opportunity on that three. Discarte once again. Escoto on the drive. Kendrick Picazo's first 2 points. So everyone just scoring for San Juan so far. Picazo's second steal will go all the way. 4-2. Ako na magpe-flex para ay Kendrick after that tough layup attempt. That was true contact. Quality minutes being played here by Picazo. And after that, here comes trouble once again. Aniel Berdan and company has re-entered the game. Bataan looking to end this run. A missed three. Coronel, a chance to run. Once again, 55-17. Sends it in the corner. This time, San Juan naman ang natawagan ng stepping doon sa ating sideline. Bakungan and company looking to break this pressure defense in. Looking to attack. Del Rosario's height is just really intimidating this Bataan squad. As early as the first half, they had an open shot, decides not to take it. With a minute remaining, Bakungan to beat the buzzer, won't fall. Marco secures that rebound. Now on the run, decides to pull on the brakes. Coronel will not shoot it. Use that screen. Nice bounce pass. Goggles are out. What a solid first half para dito sa San Juan. From defense to offense, they have done it. Meanwhile, for Bataan, it has been a struggle for them all game. After leading 6-3, continues to wax hot. That is Boligan for that jumper. Bash Boligan has adding more points in this contest. Marco gets that rebound. 2 seconds. Coronel to beat the buzzer. Had a clean look. Solid performance by this San Juan squad. 60 points at the end of the first half. Bataan really shook sa depensa ng San Juan. That's the end of the first half. Second half of action will start when we return.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, ha? MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga.
Third quarter of action dito sa ating contest in the under 16 division. Santino Tizon has been playing well for them, scored a couple of baskets here and there, hit a 3-pointer and the first 2 points to start off the third quarter dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Nakita ko sa ating comment section, merong nagtatanong kung anong oras yung laro ng Cebu. As Aniel Berdan scores the basket. Mamaya pa po yun, 6:15 against Leyte, under 21 division. So mamaya pa po yun, last game natin yung Cebu versus Leyte. Para po sa nanunood. Nasa Espinosa naka-score para dito sa kampo naman ng Bataan has already reached their 21st point. 64 points naman para dito sa San Juan as just easy basket. Aniel Berdan and Rael Gimarangan, again, one of the, or two of the most potent backcourts in a junior MPBL na napanood natin last season. And speaking of which, Aniel on the breakaway. Benitez scored 6 straight. Gimarangan scored 6 straight. Berdana scored 6 straight as well. And that time, he played solid defense. "15 seconds on the shot clock with 8 minutes, 8 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Just a total masterclass, masterpiece performance for San Juan. Hindi pa tayo nakakakalahati dito sa ating ball game as that tough basket. Santino Tizon says hello on that play. Gets that and one. Tizon looking to add more points here. Will make the bonus free throw. 71-21, a 50-point advantage. Pero para sa Bataan, again, a chance for them to learn from one of, if not the best, under-16 teams here in this battle for champions. Tizon for 3. That is off the mark. Spins, shoots, Pascual will score. All smiles for Aniel Berdan and San Juan. Just continue to rain down the points. Again, if you're Bataan, just get as much experience as you can. This is really part of the process. To be better, need to face the best. And that is why we are here in the Battle of Champions, assembling the best teams per province. 9 provinces involved in this Battle of Champions. Again, the only goal is for these players to have exposure at syempre para ma-improve yung kanilang basketball skills as that play goes in. A solid conversion para dito kay Tristan Acosta. 75-25 is our score. $75-25, bola pa rin ng San Juan. Gives it in the post. Looks to bang bodies down low. Tatawagan ng foul. Will shoot another free throw. Itong si Bash. I should say, Devron Benitez. Looks to add more points in his total. Again, one of the best under 16 talents in the country right now is Devron Benitez. Once scored 40 in one of the games that he played that I had the privilege of covering. That's how good Benitez is. He can score 40. He can be passive and just let his teammates operate. Pero kapag kinakailangan umiscore, Benitez is always ready. Sandig sends it in the corner. Goes for the shot. Chunako with a jumper. Clean looking jumper for Medes Chonako. 76-25 and a steal on the other side. Here is Devron. Before making that pass, merong foul na itatawag. 76-25. Inbound play, hindi papasok para kay Benitez. As we are 4 minutes 48 in this third quarter. Looking to carve their way. Ooh, what a sneaky move to get that basket in. That is Joman Gonzalez scoring that impressive bucket. Nakalusot sa depensa. Chunako sends it in the middle. Devron will send it on the left. Goes on that drive. Baseline is good for Escoto. (78-27) Escoto with that beautiful dukot on the other side, and a three goes in, making that three-pointer count. Tyrone Dizon straight away. Again, if you're Bataan, just shoot your way in. Nothing to lose for you at this point, as Debron Benitez just scores that easy 2 points. Just go. If you're Bataan, just go. Huwag niyong tignan yung score. Just do your plays, convert on your shots, play defense, and eventually, you'll get that confidence as they try to push on this attack. Kendrick Pecaso with a breakaway. Running down the lane here is Kendrick. And just making that smooth answer back as Gonzalez scores. Chunako with an answer. At balik na naman tayo dito sa ating back and forth into this ball game. Bataan will call for time. All San Juan so far. (87-32) and a steal, a basket goes in once again. As a Bash scores another point in his total. Buligan, pagpasok niya nung second quarter, has contributed well for San Juan as they are on a mission to redeem what they lost on that finals in the under-16, as Coronel straight away couldn't hit that three, and a foul is called on that rebound battle. I believe that was Del Rosario. (89-32), a three by Espinosa had a good look, just couldn't get that basket in, and of course a strong rebound by one Marco Del Rosario. Nice pass, dropping it off, di pumasok. Sayang para sa San Juan. (89-32). So this time it's Pascual. Look at the front court. Meron kang Del Rosario, meron ka bang Pascual? How can you stop those two tall front court men? Looks very athletic. As a steal by Pascual. Nice drop pass, and he receives it. Right place at the right time. Benedict Solas has scored. Coronel drawing some reaction but couldn't get that basket to go in. Solas once again. Back to back para dito kay Solas. Just like that, 31, make it 33 points for Bataan, and Solas with 6 straight. just a scoring barrage and some solid defense. Bash Boligan and company continues to rain down the points. We have one game na naka 100 points tayo and that was our first contest. 102 yung total and I am positive that we will exceed that in this game. 97 na ang nai-score ng San Juan, make it 99. 8 straight points for Solas in this third quarter. Bash Boligan, 3 off the mark. Again, Bataan needs to get that point across with 25 seconds remaining. 3-pointer from the corner. Hits the side of the backboard. Del Rosario throws it. Bash will score. 101 to 32. What a performance by San Juan in this third quarter. And that is how we will end our third quarter. 41 big points para dito sa San Juan. End of the third quarter pa lamang to. We have one more quarter to play. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Start of the fourth quarter, Rael Guimarangan, Aniel Berdan, and San Juan impressive in 3 quarters, 101 points for them, 41 points in the third quarter. That is just impressive. Meanwhile, for Bataan, it is just too much. But Bautista scores for 3. A good way to start for this Bataan squad. Again, wag nang tignan ng score if you're Bataan. Just continue to play. Just continue to do your plays. Because again, if you look up the margin, this is a big of a margin to cut with 10 minutes of basketball play. So just play solid basketball. And again, learn from this one. Alley-oop play. Berdan to Rael Guimarangan. 107 to 35. They have now surpassed the largest total of our game day today. Ooh, what a move. Impressive on that reverse. RJ Tuazon making that basket in. And that point by Rael Guimarangan. He has entered double digits. Bautista who scored that 3. Dizon also hit that 3-pointer earlier. Nice extra pass. There you go for Bataan. Just continue doing those plays. As RJ Tuazon has 2 field goals in this fourth quarter. Just continue making good plays. Yun lang for Bataan. Regardless of the outcome, regardless of the score, just continue to play good basketball and make good basketball decisions. A 3-pointer. Couldn't get that friendly roll to drop. Rael Guimarangan will lose the possession. Corner 3. Guimarangan couldn't get it. Picasso wanting to get that rebound. Tapping it to the wrong person. A steal here. Tison all the way. Lefty finishing on the right. You love to see it. As Tison adds more points on the board. And with 7:12 remaining, players from San Juan just getting enough reps in this contest. Timeout is called timeout is called in this game. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gusto.
We return to the action. Again, a missed shot for Bataan, but prior to that, ang ganda ng kanilang mga ball movement. RJ Tuazon was able to hit baskets in a row, making some extra pass, solid plays. Chunaco on the other side, just laying the ball in. Before the start of the fourth quarter, ramdam ko yung gigil ni Aniel Berdan wanting to get back on that Antipolo squad, and they are now showing everyone they are one of the favorites here in the Battle of Champions, looking to face off against their rivals. Again, 3 games it took for that championship to be decided in that under-16 division. As I look into our standing here, as Debron Benitez scores. (117-41) is our tally here with 5:31 remaining. Escoto, a decent role player for this San Juan squad, now at the line, looking to add more points into his name. He will miss the first. But again, Bataan had their chances, especially on that opening quarter. They led by 3 points, 6-3. Then after that, something just clicked on the side of San Juan, and we have seen a different team, a different beast, ika nga nila. And it's just really all San Juan. Scoring 118 points with 5 minutes 5 remaining. Kulang ang impressive na salita to describe what we're seeing here into San Juan, as that basket goes in by Pascual. (120 points already, and still continuing to add more. What a fast, unselfish play by Chunaco. Escoto just couldn't finish. And Debron Benitez leading this squad here. Gonzalez looking to rescue this play. With 4 minutes 20 remaining, a jumper that is off the mark. Pascual secures that rebound. Sends it on the left side. Escoto with a drive and a finish. Final 4 remaining here in the fourth quarter. Again, we'll just wait for the final score, the final tally for this one, as Bataan scoring on that last one. And a lot of things to learn if you are Bataan, a lot of adjustments to be made A lot of discussions as they are only playing the first game here. So kailangan lang nilang bumawi on the next one. Pero for San Juan, this just puts everyone in this under 16 in notice. 126 points is not a joke, ladies and gentlemen. They are just so impressive. Rejection on the other side. Coronel takes it on himself and scores. $130 points. Espinosa misfires. Nice fake in the basket. As a Jim Bautista adds 2 points on Bataan. Meanwhile, for San Juan, it's just total demolition. Big Marco on the miss. Del Rosario, second try. And how can you stop that? Sometimes you can't. You just hope. But that three-pointer by Jim Bautista. Getting some groove here itong si Bautista as we are in the last 2 minutes of our contest. And San Juan, really impressive. Kanina pinanood nila yung laro ng CDO. Nuez was really impressive as Dizon misfires. And this is the toughest call here. Sa ganitong laro, ang mahirap piliin yung best player. Who will be our best player of the game? Sa ganitong performance ng San Beda. San Beda, San Juan. Really tough to call for that best player of the game because just everyone having their moments in. Coronel, Tizon, one of the favorites to get it. For me, ever since I believe late in the first quarter, he has made this mark talking about itong si Tizon. So he can be one of the favorites to win the Best Player of the Game award. Meanwhile, again for Bataan, regardless of the score, regardless sa naging performance nyo, gonna keep your head high. It's just you ran into a much hungrier squad. San Juan, all eyes on that revenge. That Game 3 still stings as Coronel scores that 3. Yun lang ang mission nila. Talking about San Juan, makabawi. And they're using this Battle of Champions to get those grooves in para pagsimula ng ating next season ng Junior MPBL, handang-handa na sila to face off and finally defeat their rivals in Antipolo JY Titans. Again, that is a really tough team. And everyone just says, kailangan nilang umiscore. They need to score as much as they can because quotient will play a big role dito sa ating short league. Our league will run from now hanggang Saturday. So every point will matter from now on. With 5 seconds to go. 5. Coronel open for 3 and it's in. Back-to-back hits. And San Juan just came into this game, started slow, never looked back after getting that lead, putting everyone on notice. Look at how impressive this score is. 140 points. Holding your opponent to 50. What a showing for San Juan. Everyone doing their part. Next game will be our game 5th game of the contest. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan.